Okay, I want to dive in a little bit more about flick and not press. And why is that? It's because if you press, you have to depress. Press and unpress. There's two movement, and that is not good for efficiency of movement, or if you want to play fast. Everybody seems to want to play fast these days. But if you flick, it's one movement and then you finish, you go back to neutral, your hands go back to neutral, and eventually you're going to learn to stay there, finish the flick but not see. I can finish the flick and have no tension here but staying here, and so I could move my weight wherever I need to go. Yeah, but if I press, I need to depress, and it's more of an up and down movement from the arm, and that's not what we want. It's not an up and down movement with your arm. It's not pressing and then depressing. So that takes, like, to move a large part of your body takes a lot of energy and effort and a lot of time, and that's why I said that we need to keep. It's like tickling someone.